Hi, I'm Matt. On behalf of myself and everyone here at eSpares, we wish to thank our viewers for helping us to reach 50 million views on YouTube. This is a fantastic achievement for a DIY channel and helps to keep us as Europe's #1 place for home appliance repair help. We now have over 60,000 subscribers who regularly watch our videos, and over 1 million viewers every month use our videos to help diagnose a problem, fit a part, see a product demonstration, or get tips and useful information for all the electrical items around their homes. Over the last 10 years, we have produced nearly 600 videos on most home appliances and use comments and feedback to identify where our viewers have problems to ensure we improve our service to our customers, and we use this information to find new videos to produce. We have also answered over 2,000 questions and comments on existing videos in the last year alone to help our viewers from all over the world.
Bonjour à tous, c'est Céline de chez ePièces.
We now have a YouTube channel in French called ePièces. Our presenter Céline has helped us go from strength to strength.
Chez ePièces.
Many things have changed in the last 10 years. New technology is now playing an important part, with last year over 7.5 million people watching our videos on their smartphones or tablets. At eSpares, we are dedicated to providing help and guidance to anyone who wants to fix their appliance and save money. The repairs in our videos are carried out by presenters like myself, who are not technically trained, but with the help of our technical team, we show you methods and techniques in our videos that ensure you can fix your appliance in an easy to follow way. This ensures that problems can be understood and tackled by anyone. Our award-winning company's mission is to make repairing home appliances more accessible to everyone. And with your support, we will continue to provide a channel that you can go to for useful videos and information. So once again, thanks very much from everyone here at eSpares for your support, and thanks for watching.